Hello guys, welcome to this new and exciting video on Power BI basic series. Okay, so in this series we are going to learn what are the different visuals which are available in Power BI, how to create those visuals, and what is the proper way of formatting those visuals. Okay, so till now we have learned creating so many visuals. We have started with the stack bar chart, then we have covered stack column chart, we have created cluster bar chart, cluster column chart. After that we have learned about 100% stack bar chart, 100% stack column chart. Then we have learned the difference between these two charts along with the stack bar and stack column chart. Then we have covered line and stack column chart, line and cluster column chart, okay, line chart, area chart, stacked area chart, 100% stacked area chart. So in today's section, we are going to cover pie chart as well as donut chart in this video only. Okay. So for creating pie chart, okay, you have to select this visual. So what I have done, I have given the dataset in the description box. You can download the dataset. You can load the dataset in the Power BI. Okay. You can load the dataset in Power BI, and you can also follow the steps for creating this particular visual. Okay. Now for creating pie chart, you have to select this particular visual. Once the visual is selected, you have to define certain things. Okay. So for example, what values you want to show in this pie chart. Okay. So let's say we want to show total treatment cost as a value. Okay. So this is 100% of total treatment cost. Now, on which basis you want to divide this particular pie chart. Okay. So that thing which we have to define in the legend. So let's say we want to divide based on different providers. So we'll drag provider name in the legend. Then in just two steps, we have created the pie chart. Okay. Now, next thing is detail. If you want any other thing to specify, you can specify in detail. So let's add gender here. Okay. So if you tag anything, see, provider name is present, gender is present, and along with that, the values, which is sum of treatment cost is present. If you want to show anything, you can drag in either details or tooltips. Okay. Then this is done. So let us learn how to format this particular chart. Okay. So for formatting this particular chart, okay, along with this, let us learn donut chart as well. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll drag donut chart on our canvas. Okay, so again, the first thing value we have to define. So previously we have taken sum of treatment cost. So this time we will take sum of medication cost as values. Previously we have taken provider name as the criteria. So this time we will take department as criteria. Previously we have taken department in details. So this time we will take diagnosis in detail. So basically, whatever things you will drag in the details, it will again divide the same chart into different slices. You can see on the screen. Okay. And if you want to show more information, you can drag in the tooltips. We have already discussed what are tooltips in our previous videos. Okay. Now let us learn about the formatting. So the basic rule for formatting is decide the canvas background color. Okay. So we have already learned in our previous videos that how to define the canvas background color. So just click on the canvas, go to format your report page. There will be one option for canvas background. Select black color there. Okay. So even though we have selected black color, but the color is not visible on the canvas because of the transparency. So we have to reduce the transparency to 0%. Okay. Now our visual is present on the screen, but it is not looking good because of the visual background color. So what we are going to do, we will define the background color of the visual. So for that, just click on the visual, go to format your visual option, go to general setting, go to effect, and define the background color as black. Then we'll define visual border. So the border color should be white, okay, with rounded corners as 15. Anything between 15 to 20 will work, and we'll increase the size of the border by 1 pixel. So now new size will be 2 pixels, and we will have the shadow for our visual. So color of the shadow will keep as white, okay, and the position will be bottom right. So you can change position based on the requirement. Okay, then yeah, this is fine. So now we'll select the visual. Okay, so there are 4 options for the setting. First one is legend. So the position is towards center and right. You can change the position to top left, okay, top center, or center right, or center left according to yourself. But always remember that for pie chart and donut chart, center right position will look really good always. Okay, so based on the space available, you can change the position. Now the text color for legend, will make it bold. We'll increase the size to 12 pixel, and we'll select text color as white. Okay, title of the pie chart or title of the legend. Okay, we'll do same formatting for that one. Okay, so again, it has white color and the name of the title is provided name, so that is fine. If you don't want title, you can disable this with the help of this toggle button. Now slices, you can define color of the slices from here. Okay, so we will select again our black and white 5 colors. The system. Okay, then the next thing is detail label. Okay, so there are multiple options here. So position of the label is outside. You can put inside or prefer outside or prefer inside. You can select and see if you select inside, so all the details will be present inside. So which will not look really good. So we'll select outside only. Now whatever values are there, okay, so they are not visible because of the text color. So we'll make text color as white. We'll increase the size to 11 pixel. We'll make them bold. Okay, and you can decide this particular text color based on function as well. You can define the function. So if you want to display unit, you can do. Okay, decimal places you can select. You can increase or decrease the decimal places. Okay. Then rotation. If you want to rotate the pie chart, you can do. Okay. So I'll keep 0 degree only. This is done. Okay. So this only options are available for pie chart. Okay. Now the next thing is the title of the pie chart is not clearly visible. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just change the position of legend instead of towards center and right. I'll keep top and center. But that is also not looking good. So center and right, I'll prefer. Okay. Now the next thing is for giving the title. Title is already present, but it is not visible because of the text color. So what I'll do, I'll go to general, go to title. Okay. So I'll make the title bold. I'll increase the size. Okay. And I'll select text color as white. And the position of the title is towards top and towards left side, right? So I'll just center align it. Okay. So this is done. So this is the proper formatting for pie chart. Now, if you want to give same formatting for donut chart, okay, so instead of applying the same step again and again, what you can do, you can directly copy the format from one visual to another visual. Okay, so what I'll do, after the title, I'll draw one divider line as well. So from here, I'll select the visual. Again, I'll go to title. So below that, there will be one option for divider line. I'll use white color for divider line and I'll increase the width to 2 pixels. Okay, now see, I'll not follow the same step for creating this visual as well because it will consume time. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll copy the format, whatever formatting, because these two charts are almost same, right? So I'll just copy the format. I'll select the visual which is already formatted. Okay. I'll click on format printer. Now I have to click on that particular visual on which I have to apply the same format. So I'll select this donut chart and see. Our visual is formatted within fraction of second. Okay. And it is looking really good. Okay? So what I'll do, say there's details, I'll just remove that. Okay. So this is the donut chart. So you don't have to do formatting same formatting you have to apply for two visuals, so you need to no need to apply the same steps again and again. Okay, so instead of that one, what you can do, you can just copy the format which is copy the format from the visual which is already formatted and paste the format on that visual on which you have to apply the formatting. Now only the colors of the slices we have to define. So for defining that one, I'll select the visual, I'll go to format your visual, I'll click on slices and I'll define the color quickly. Done. Okay, so let's check if any additional information is there for like donut chart or not. So if you go on general, okay, so we have same thing. So in this we have used only these two features, title and effect. Other features are not that useful. I'll go to visual. We have already seen rotation. If you want to rotate the chart with certain degrees, you can rotate with the help of this one. Again, data labels, position is there. You can like define setting for values. Okay, which is same as pie chart we have already seen. Then slices, you can in that you can define the color and you can define the radius. Now one more thing, if you want to increase or decrease of the percentage of this inner radius, right, you can do with help of this one. Okay, but always remember that any number around 60 will look good for the donut chart, right? Only this setting is different, otherwise each and every setting is same for pie chart and donut chart. That's why I have covered these two visuals in one video only. So what we have learned in today's video, we have learned how to show the data using pie chart and donut chart, how to create those visuals, okay, and what are the different options which are available for formatting these two visuals. So I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please hit like button. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you for joining with me. We will meet in our next section with a new visual. Thank you for joining. Thank you.